Good morning. This is Calbo Radio, your finest, smoothest, and cleanest radio station in the world. Hi, I'm DRF, your smoothest and cleanest radio broadcaster for today. There has been a reported incident that an earthquake occurred in Barangay Sampaloc, Pablosan City, with a magnitude of 6.9. PVOX had stated that another earthquake may occur close to the epicenter of the said city.
Hey, what are you watching?
Oh, I'm watching nothing.
Is that
K-pop again? Yeah.
Hey, you know what? Let's just go buy some food.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. One fries, please. Thank you.
Hey guys, I need to tell you about something.
What? Is it about K-pop again?
No, it's about the news earlier. And there was an earthquake that happened last week, and I think it's going to. Oh my god!
Hey, calm down. Hey!
What we have just seen here is an instance of someone not knowing what to do during an earthquake. This is what you should do.
No, it's about the news earlier. And there was an earthquake that happened last week, and I think it's going to. Oh my god!
In order for us to properly survive during an earthquake, remember the following. Number 1, duck, cover, and hold. Number 2, stay calm and keep a level head.
Hey, let's go to an open area right there.
Let's go.
Number 3, don't go near high infrastructure. And number 4, evacuate after the disaster.
Let's go inside the evacuation area.
Let's go.
So what are earthquakes? Earthquakes are natural phenomena caused by the vibrations of seismic waves. They are unpredictable, but thanks to the help of modern technology, they can easily be detected through the recorded timelines in seismographs. In addition, here are some things to do before an earthquake strikes. Number 1, participate in practice drills. And number 2, know the basics of first aid. You can use a clean bandage to treat someone's injuries. Always use a square knot while bandaging so the bandage can be easily removed.
Safe!
Looking at emergency hotlines and analyzing your evacuation plan are important so that you may have a guide in case an earthquake strikes.
We all know that earthquakes can be quite devastating and harmful, and its destruction can be determined by its intensity level. And by knowing all these previously said tips and precautions, we could live our life confidently and not worry much about earthquakes. And always remember the actions, duck, cover, and hold. And
Keep
safe!